so I just got this crazy idea that I know I'm gonna have to show. Okay, so as I was peeling off the trim around the edges of my wall, I noticed that the previous owners of my new home decided to paint over the wallpaper. So when I tried removing the trim, it took the entire paint job with it. I don't have the energy to strip the wall and paint it correctly, so I'm going to cover it up and cover up all my mistakes with some plaster art. So I'm going to try to imitate that and put it on my wall. I have some plaster over here, just some patching plaster, and I'm mixing it with water. I have no idea what this is going to turn out to be, but we'll see. So I headed on over to Walmart and purchased some patching plaster. Now I'm sure these true sculptors are cringing right now, but after watching quite a few YouTube videos, I thought the plaster of Paris would dry too quickly. And since I'm just a beginner and I'm just too cheap to purchase any real sculpting plaster, simple patching plaster was my best alternative. Now, when I first started this project, I was a little bit nervous, and also the consistency of the plaster was more liquid than it should have been, and a few of the clumps did fall to the floor. But after a while, I got into my groove, and it became rather enjoyable. So in the middle of me working, I can hear some flapping in my chimney, which happens from time to time when the birds fly inside the chimney, because I don't have a chimney cap. But the flapping seemed awfully loud this time, so I went to the chimney just to rattle the screen just a little bit to scare the bird away. Little did I know the chute was still open, and the bird just flew inside the house. Scared the bejesus out of me. I ran inside my son's bedroom and told him about the bird. I was too scared to come back out, but you can see me peeking through the door trying to give him instructions on how to get the bird out. Like he needed my help. After the bird flew into the door a few times, I stopped peeking and I stopped giving instructions, and I let my son handle it. And he safely caught the bird and let him loose back outside. Whew. I was so scared after the bird incident, I forgot to videotape my progress. So here's how far I got that day. I figured I'd finish it later. finished result. And so far, everyone that sees it has asked me, what is it? And I always ask them, well, what do you think it is? And some say clouds in the sky. Others have said that they see the ocean. Someone even said they saw a tree. So I figure as long as people are intrigued enough to talk about and discuss what I created, then I say my art has done what it was set out to do. I hope you enjoyed the artwork, and I hope you enjoy what you see. So don't forget to like and subscribe.